is on June 23rd. Burning emoji from Reddit. Burning emoji IRL, actually, from Reddit in my ears. And they always drop a new game on his birthday. I'm very, very hyped. I saved the new Sonic Colors on my PlayStation to try.
Oh, is that a
fired up.
game that's free right now?
Yee.
Oh, I gotta cop it too, dude.
Yeah, bro, it's like Sonic Colors remastered, and Sonic Colors just go to me.
So say if I install it now and don't play it for a couple months, it'll still be free. I have it, right?
You don't even have to install it, bro. You can just add it to your library. I think it's like the monthly one.
Okay, because I did that for High on Life too, and I haven't touched it yet, and I was worried I wouldn't be able to get back to it now.
Yeah, no, you're good, bro. You add that.
What is up, my fellow people? Even though there's 0 viewers, but I don't care. What is up, my fellow people? Today, you gonna know what we're doing. We're turning off this music, first of all. Funny. And, what else are we gonna do? Oh yeah, so we are going to be coding today. It's gonna be really fun. We're gonna be finishing our queue system, polishing the UI, and maybe doing some changes to the camera, main menu, and stuff like that. So yeah. Alright, so currently we've basically just disregarded this entire area. So none of this is useful anymore. The only thing that I do need from over here is the camera. Main menu camera. So I'm just gonna grab it. Show the orientation indicator, and it is mine now. So now if we set the transmitter back to 1 and then we hit play, we're gonna see that this is now the main menu screen. So that is looking pretty good. So now what I want to do is when you hit play, I don't want it to hide the screen. I want it to show basically the what's it called? The sorry, the music just cut off. Okay, so what I want to show is I want to show this GUI. Let me enable it for you real quick. This GUI. So I made this, and we don't need this anymore. So it's a fully functional party system. Now this is not the only script. There's also a script in. There's 2 scripts in here. There's the party manager. And yeah. Yeah. So then there's also this script, which basically just runs a function in here. If a certain action was invoked when the remote event was invoked by the server. When that is invoked here, as you can see, sometimes it's invoked. Where is it? So create party button. No. Yeah, right here. Local party data, and then it's going to say party manager RF, which is the remote function, invoke server, and then create party, and it's just going to provide the is private boolean and the password string. But yeah, that's what I want to show. This is what I want to show, and I do want to redo this a little bit. So first let's go to the main menu and let's disable that and enable this. And let's do a little bit of coding. So we're going to go to the main script. And let's find the play mouse enter plus mouse button. Okay, so what we're gonna do just check here. Okay, so let's just go into go back into the main script, and I'm going to go out of all this. Okay, wait, the only one that I do want to keep is this. Okay, so I'm going to play the chime, and then let's go up here, right here. Alright, so we're going to get local, and it is called party sys UI, and that's just going to be script.parent. Wait, so the script's parent, and then wait, so the script's parent and its parent, and then we're just gonna do wait for child party system UI. So just like that. I don't know why I did that. I'm just yeah, okay. So then we're gonna go down to here, and then we're gonna do party sys UI dot enabled equals true. Okay, and then we're gonna go back up to here under for this, and we're just gonna hit party sys UI dot enabled equals false. And perfect. Now it shows this. So let's just do a little bit more. And what I want to do is I also want to script. No, wait. I think it's called no. Let me go and check what it's called. Okay, you know, I'll just do script dot parent dot enabled equals false, and I'll just save that so that when we hit this, it goes to this, and there's nothing we can actually click on the main menu that will like break stuff. And yes, this actually does work, but as you can see, the UI, it does not look that good, and this does not. If I create one, you know, I kind of want to hide all these. So let's do that right now. So in the party system client, Yes, I had to type all of this, and it took a very long time, and it was very annoying. I'm gonna go down to here. Sorry, I'm like moving away from the microphone. I'm gonna move down to there, and then let's see, where is it? Create party button. So after create party button is clicked, we're going to, oops, too many. I know I wanted that many. We're going to do navigation bar dot visible equals false. And then, let's also do, let's make a new variable, which we will define up here. We're gonna go local is owner equals false for now, because they're not gonna be the owner of anything. And then create party button, join party button. Okay, so right here. So then we're gonna do is owner equals true. And then if they leave the party, and then if success, then we're going to set is owner equals false, and then we're going to do navigation bar equals true, dot visible equals true. There we go. And if not, yeah, it'll just warn the error. Start game button. We don't need to do anything with that right now, but what I do want to do is grab, where is it? It's right here, and I'm gonna go to my creator dashboard right here, places, and I'm gonna go, I'm trying to debate whether I should make a, yeah, I'm just gonna, and then, ooh, I think it's this one. Here, wait. Create place async. So this actually might be what I want. Clones a place through given template place ID. Now returns the place ID of the new place, which you can use with teleport service. The clone place displays within the inventory of the place's creator with the given name and description. Template place must have template copying enabled through place settings. You cannot use this method to clone places that you don't own. Frequent use of the API are rotating a code that quickly becomes infeasible and for user generated cards. User creations and saving them in data source instead. Okay, so the way that I'm doing it right now is the best way. So you're gonna go back to here. And I believe it is this, because this number, go back, yeah, that stays there. Okay, so now we're gonna go back to here. It was, I guess it was in here. No, it wasn't. Oh shoot. Okay, well, that happened. Okay, so just looking for equals. I guess it was in here, but I don't see it. It must be in here somewhere. Cause, oh no, because it says game.place ID right here. So we're gonna change this to place ID, which is gonna be a variable. So then we're just gonna do place ID, and then I'm gonna go up here and just go like this, and we're gonna do local place ID equals, and then paste in that number right there. So then now it should work. Let's just make sure that there's no game.place ID here anymore. Yeah, we're all good. Okay, so we're gonna hit the green flag or blue thing, whatever the heck it's called. Blah blah blah, and then we're gonna hit play. Okay, we're gonna make it. So it does say my user, which is nice. We're gonna hit start. Okay, so it doesn't know that I'm the party leader. But it did disband the party when I left it. So 189. Stop this really quickly. So let's go to here. Oh yeah, just to, by the way, I do also want to get these. And just copy and paste those to there so that this stuff stops. Okay, so then next I do need to do this. Okay, so I'm just gonna remove this out of these comments just to let me know what everything does. Disband the party. Okay, so all of that works correctly as of now. So let's create a new one, public, HTTP 403 forbidden, and that is most likely because you cannot teleport in Roblox Studio. So now let's just update the UI, and maybe I think what I want to do is make this a little bit smaller and like next to this ship, and then I will remove this countdown here because you don't need it. So I will do that. But first, I'm going to do start game, else of action, start game, reserved code, return nil. We'll return, so then it must be in here, because then is no, it's in this, I guess, because party manager, start game, yeah, right here, teleport. So, what I'm going to do is I'm going to add a task.wait 2 seconds here, just to buffer a little bit. And then, oh no, I don't want all that. I do not want that. Okay, so let's just type in, what do we want to do? Oh yeah, so, no, I don't want you to do that. So we're gonna go here, and we don't actually have the, UI. So maybe we can fire a new event. I think let's do that. So let's also go down to here. Local, I said local. What should we call the event? Maybe, I don't know. Yeah, I'm not sure. It's so much better like this, I think. Yeah, okay. I'm not sure what we should call it, but for now, let's just call it, well, so what was it gonna do again? Oh yeah, let's call it hide UI equals replicated storage dots, instance, I said instance dot new. And then the type should be remote events. And then hide UI dot parent equals game dot replicated storage. And then hide UI dot name equals hide UI. Okay. So just like that. We're gonna go into the party system clients. Right now we're gonna go into here. Or are we? We're gonna go into here. Because this is where it gets teleported. No, wait, no. It's in here. So we don't need a. Yes, we do. I'm tired. Very, very tired. I think that is why I am failing to do this well. But anyways, let's keep working on this. That's really tight. Okay. So, start game. So we're gonna go down here and we're just gonna call it hide UI. Wait. Fire. And we're gonna do fire all clients. And we're not gonna send anything with that. So after that, we are gonna go back into the party system UI. And then I'm just gonna go up to here. We're gonna go local hide UI equals replicated storage, wait for child, hide UI. Okay, now we're gonna go back down to here. And we're gonna go hide UI. On wait, how do I do that? Okay, we hide UI dot on server. No, on client event, I think is what it is. I believe that is what it is. So if I go back to here, hide UI dot on client event. On client event, that's what I typed, right? On client event, yep. Okay. So then, and then I just connect to the function. So I just go connect function, and then we're going to do script dot parent dot enabled equals false. This should work. If I'm not wrong. So we're gonna hit play. Create start. Did not. Well, this is at 186. So if the client is the one throwing the error, then we're gonna be unable to actually hide it. So I'm not gonna know if it works. Okay, so you know what I'll just do is I'll just go to here. Wait, I don't know if I'm on the server or the client. Okay, I'm on the server. No, now I'm on the server. So I'm gonna go to here. I'm gonna do, okay, I guess not. Okay. Because sometimes on the server it works, sometimes it doesn't. Okay, so we're gonna do task.wait. No, wait. Other way around. And I'm gonna hit X, and then up here, V, and I'm gonna do party. Here we're just gonna do script dot parent dot enabled equals false. Oh, hopefully it works now, but it might not. Okay, it's still not working, but that is okay. Let's just update these a little bit. operating system clients. So for each of these, so you're gonna do mem label dot font. What's font face? Equals enum dot fonts dots, and then what's it called? So the one that is used here is called, no, it's not source sans. Create party button, Fear Sans. So Fear. Okay, because let's just do Fredoka one, and then let's do mem label dots. Okay, so this Fredoka one. So text scaled, I want to be false. So instead we're gonna do oops. So instead, what did I do? Oh, I just added this by accident. So we're gonna do mem label dot fonts, no, text size equals udim2 dot new. No, it's not udim2. Font size equals 24. I don't think that's good, but I don't think that's gonna work. I don't think it's not like an actual. Yeah. Oh well, I mean, it worked. Okay, so that worked. Great. Not even that big of a difference though, chat. Okay, gotta update the credits. Let's update that right now. Scripter. So me. Additional scripting. chat a GPT. I'm gonna remove that and have someone else probably when it's done. But I think that's good for the main landing page, you know, what people actually see. Exit. Actually, no, wait. I know this has been a really short stream, but I just don't feel good, so I'm probably gonna lay down or something. So, yeah. I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye-bye.